You want to trade crypto, maybe even leverage trade, but the US government keeps tying your hands. Every time you go to an exchange to try to set up an account, you're met with strict KYC or know your customer requirements. Doesn't seem fair that around the world, people are stacking massive gains and sometimes massive liquidations from trading sites. How are you even supposed to figure out if you can trade or not effectively without having the ability to trade? Well, today, I've got the answer for you. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can legally leverage trade without issues for less than 250 bucks. So stick around until the very end of this video if the US government has ever left you shaking your head and clenching your fist on your journey to try to be a trader. Hi, welcome to Ben Armstrong Crypto, the home of Ben Armstrong Crypto and you. If you're new to crypto or just now coming back to the space, make sure to hit that subscribe button here on my new channel. I'm about to begin a massive series reviewing projects you need to know about if you want to separate yourself from the fray during the next bull run, which, by the way, is likely in its infancy as we speak. Leverage trading is a somewhat controversial topic in crypto because, well, a lot of people fail in trading because just like with starting a business, learning a new skill, or anything else, experience matters. That's why you come here to Ben Armstrong Crypto. And many people, well, they never get to the level of having enough experience to trade effectively because they make mistakes while they're learning and swear off it for good. Which, by the way, if you want to shortcut the experience of trading, make sure to check out my new high IQ strategic trading indicator. I'll be doing a walkthrough on the indicator soon on the channel, so stay tuned. I've got a link at the top of the description if you want to check out high IQ. There's a money back guarantee, so if you don't like it, no worries. Visit highiq.store for details. Many people, though, don't ever even get the chance to trade because every exchange they try has KYC requirements or will likely have them one day. KYC stands for Know Your Customer Requirements, which is part of AML or anti-money laundering regulations meant to prevent criminals from washing their money through these platforms. Additionally, this is the way the SEC keeps exchanges from allowing US traders. They leverage their clout against countries and exchanges to force foreign countries to use KYC requirements to limit their ability to attract US traders. So if you're a US citizen, good luck trading. But what if there was a way for you to become a citizen of a foreign country that most of these exchanges do allow to trade on their sites? Solves the headache and should give you peace of mind that your ability to trade is sustainable. Enter Palau. Palau is a small country in Southeastern Asia near Micronesia that not only allows digital citizens, but encourages it. And it's open to you for only 248 bucks. I'm going to show you how to do it in a moment, but let's briefly discuss the program. The Palau Digital Residency Program offers tons of benefits to applicants. Along with the personal benefits of citizenship, Palau digital citizens can also move their businesses there with 0% tax for digital corporations. Are you a remote worker? Cool. That's now tax-free income in Palau. So why would they do this? Well, it seems like it's pretty similar to Estonia's program, to be honest. I went to Estonia in March, and I can tell you that the country is very forward-thinking, and they are seeing an opportunity specifically with blockchain. So they want to invite and incentivize as many people as possible to move there to bring value to their economy. Palau is doing the same thing here, except specifically with digital nomads. After COVID, Palau needed to find some way to bring in more revenue to the country, and Palau is now trying to develop laws and regulations to bolster this program to offer more to attract e-citizens, so I'd expect this program to get more expansive rather than more limiting. The future is bright with this program, and it seems to be a long-term solution for those looking to trade internationally. BitGet is a great example of a trading site that I like that offers Palau citizens the ability to complete KYC and trade. And the US can't really come down on the exchange for allowing a foreign country to KYC. And of course, as you're using your Palau citizenship to trade, always remember to use a VPN for privacy. You should always use a VPN to protect your privacy, no matter what you're doing on the internet. The AI is always watching, remember. But to sign up for BitGet, I've got a link down below for you guys, and some of the other exchanges as well. We've got links for Bitflex and FEMAX, some of our new partners. But before you sign up, you may want to grab your Palau citizenship. I've got a link as well down below for you guys to sign up for the Palau Digital Residency Program. It is an affiliate link. I haven't used it yet, but I think if you use my link, I get some travel discounts or something. So make sure to use my link so I can travel near you, and I promise I won't live stream outside your house and tell you I'm not scared of you. So let's get going here with a tutorial on how to sign up for the Palau Digital Residency Program. Hey guys, it's me again. Okay, what we're gonna do here is we're gonna show you guys how to do this. Now, I do have a link down below in the description. Like I mentioned, if you guys want to check it out, the name of the site's like rns.id. But when you pull it up here, it says the Republic of Palau kindly asks you to respect the laws of your current place of residence. Enables you to gain access to services that are available to Palau. Palau Digital ID serves identification document, not proof of, or not certification of citizenship. Does not impose taxes on you on what you make outside of Palau. With the ID, you can make an extension of 180 days per stay, or days of stay per entry. Many countries typically don't tax their citizens if you stay less than 180 days, but the U.S. is, an exception. And please always stay on top of tax obligations. So no problems here, guys. So let's go ahead and click OK. And what you're going to do here, now this is the digital ID. This is the one you want, the Palau ID. So you're going to click here, apply now for $248. Or we're going to try it again. Try it again. Okay. All right, guys. Now it's going to take you to this page right here. Now, unfortunately, I wish I could go a little bit further and show you guys like exactly how to go through the application process. Instead, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you a series of emails that I got and then the completion of my Palau e-residency program. And just so everyone knows, this whole thing, I was doing it in the middle of the week. It took 24 hours and I had my ID and I had my card. So I can now do Palau KYC on exchanges. So you guys see here, rns.id is it. The Palau Digital Residency ID gives you a little bit more information about it. As you guys can see, it also does include a legal DID. That stands for, I can't remember what that stands for. It was just on the previous page. Let's actually go back and check and see exactly what that stands for. Let's see, unlock your identity with our LDID, take your legal activity on the blockchain. Oh, it's digital ID. DID stands for digital ID. Duh. Okay, sorry, my bad. I had a total brain fart there. Digital ID, so you get a digital ID, but you also get an actual ID as well. So you're going to go through this process. You're going to hit apply now. We're going to go back to that page where it said apply. You're going to be able to go through some of this stuff here. But what's going to happen here is you can also pay in crypto here, but you're going to click buy now. That's 1 year. You can do 5 or 10 years. I just did 1 year for now. It's $248 a year, of course. Then you're going to sign up. Now notice, you can continue with a Gmail address, with your Apple account, or also with a crypto wallet. Yes, that's right, guys. You can pay for the Palau Digital ID or the Palau e-residency program with crypto direct. So there you go. Got this guy down here that always wants to ask me questions. Chill guy. Okay, so what happens is you're going to sign in here, and then you're going to pick which way you want to pay. Pay in PayPal, credit card, or you can also pay in crypto. And then it's going to walk you through an application process. Once you fill out your application, it's just got standard stuff on it, guys. There's no reason to show it. Would actually have to buy another one to show this part to you. So I only need one ID, guys. The fact is that what's going to happen is you're going to fill it out. Now, make sure you have a valid ID, your driver's license. That's what I used. You're going to have to use that. You're going to have to take a selfie. Same thing as all verification. It's just like doing KYC for an exchange, except you're doing it for a country. Once you get that done, you're going to get this email right here. You guys are going to see how fast all this goes here. Thursday, October 26th at 4:39, right before my birthday, I filled it out. You can review your digital ID. Then you move on here, and then let's see, how long is that? Let's see. So I guess that was the last one. This was before that, actually. This was the screening complete. When the screening was completed, it reviewed my application, gave final approval. Let's see, verification. I think I put these in here backwards, guys. So don't judge me. I don't know what order these came in. They came in kind of a weird order. I don't really understand the difference between verification completed, your screening completed, another screening completed, and then your congratulations. So, and is this the same? Is this the same one? This is the same one here. Okay, so ignore that one. So you get your verification done, you get your screening completed, then you get your congratulations. As you guys can see, it only took a day from where we started this process, about 24 hours to get this. Congratulations, your application was reviewed by the government of Palau, which granted you final approval as a Palau digital resident. You review your digital ID. And then here, this is it, guys. This is my ID. This is what it shows here. You guys can see I've got my names blocked out here, so you can't, or my numbers. You can't see my ID or whatever. But the point is here, and you also, by the way, you can connect this to MetaMask, and you can actually mint these as NFTs or as it's a different token standard. I think it is an NFT, but it's a different token standard that was created for stuff like this by Vital. I think Vital Buterin created it. I believe. Maybe I'm wrong. But the point is, it's a special type of ID, special type of crypto token that goes inside your MetaMask wallet when you mint it. You can also manage it. You guys can see it happen very, very quickly. I've got my ID now. This will be coming in the mail. As you can see, it's a printing status, in printing, pinning to ship. So I'll be getting this at any time now. Now, if you guys want to sign up for this, $250. Basically, then you're going to be able to trade where you want to trade. Finally, the chains are off. Make sure you guys go and check out all the links I've got down below, along with our indicator and also some trading sites that you got to check out. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button if you like this type of content. We're thinking outside of the box, showing you guys how you can disconnect from traditional finance. And that's all I got. Stay strong, be blessed, but I'm strong out.